Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on your headphones Skullcandy Rail. Basically you have a few options how to do it, so let's go to the application, and if we go to voice control we have all voice controls here, so we can, as we can see, we can change it by just say it. I will show it to you later. So let's go to button settings, and right here I prefer it for double press, but if you prefer for triple press or single press you can change it. Now I wanna choose volume down for the left earbud, and if I click to the right one I will use volume up. Now let's go to test it. If I press 2 times on my left earbud, I will lower the volume. And again maybe. Oh, sorry. Yeah. If I press 2 times on my right earbud, I will increase the volume. And again. Here we go. That's it. Thank you for watching. Oh, sorry, yeah, I forgot about second method. I can say, hey Skullcandy, volume up. And I will increase the volume. If I said, hey Skullcandy, volume down, I will lower the volume. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.